Ever wondered if your innovative business idea, or even your everyday transactions, might unknowingly be stepping into a prohibited zone with your financial service provider? It's a crucial question, especially in today's global marketplace where navigating financial regulations can feel like a labyrinth. That's why understanding the boundaries set by platforms like Airwallex isn't just good practice, it's essential for the smooth operation and continued growth of your business. Airwallex, renowned for its global payments and financial infrastructure, empowers businesses to operate seamlessly across borders. However, like all regulated financial institutions, it operates within a framework designed to prevent illegal activities, manage risk, and comply with international financial regulations. This framework includes a clear set of activities and business types that are strictly prohibited. Ignoring these can lead to account suspension, termination, and significant disruption to your operations. So, what exactly are these prohibited activities that Airwallex keeps a close eye on? Let's dive in. At the top of the list are activities that are illegal under any applicable law. This is a broad category but includes things like fraud, money laundering, terrorist financing, and the sale of illegal goods or services. If it's against the law in any jurisdiction where Airwallex operates or where you're conducting business, it's prohibited. This also extends to activities that facilitate or encourage illegal acts. Beyond explicit illegality, Airwallex also prohibits certain high-risk industries and business models. This isn't necessarily because they're unlawful, but because they carry a higher inherent risk of fraud, chargebacks, or noncompliance. Examples often include businesses involved in adult entertainment, particularly those dealing with explicit content, escort services, or unregulated adult products. Similarly, businesses related to illicit drugs, even in jurisdictions where certain substances might be decriminalized, generally fall under this umbrella due to international regulations and varying legal landscapes. Another significant area of prohibition revolves around unregulated financial services. This means if your business offers services like unlicensed money transmission, unregulated foreign exchange, or operates as an unregistered securities broker, you'll likely find yourself in violation of Airwallex's terms. This also extends to certain types of binary options or highly speculative investment schemes that lack proper regulatory oversight. The emphasis here is on consumer protection and preventing activities that could lead to financial harm or exploit regulatory loopholes. Furthermore, Airwallex typically restricts businesses involved in pyramid schemes, multi-level marketing, MLM, programs with a primary focus on recruitment over product sales, or any business model deemed predatory or deceptive. This is about protecting individuals from financial scams and ensuring that businesses using their platform operate with transparency and integrity. The sale of counterfeit goods or products that infringe on intellectual property rights is also strictly prohibited. This is a crucial stance against piracy and supports legitimate businesses. Similarly, certain types of gambling activities, especially those operating without proper licenses or in jurisdictions where online gambling is restricted, are generally off limits. It's also worth noting that while not always outright prohibited, some businesses might face stricter scrutiny or require specific approvals due to their nature. These can include firearms and weapons dealers, certain charitable organizations, and even some nonprofit entities, depending on their activities and the level of transparency they can provide. The key takeaway is that Airwallex, like other responsible financial institutions, maintains these prohibitions to protect its platform, its customers, and the broader financial ecosystem from abuse and illegal activities. Always refer to their official terms of service for the most up-to-date and comprehensive list of prohibited activities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.